Zinsco Busbars with raised areas are specifically designed for breaker placement. There are short raised areas and extended raised areas. Short raised areas are intended for single pole breakers with 15, 20, or 30 amp ratings. Extended raised areas are intended for single pole breakers rated at 15, 20, or 30 amps, or they can accommodate half of a two-pole breaker with ratings of 50, 60, or 70 amps. When installing two-pole breakers, they should be installed over two adjacent areas, one extended raised area and one short raised area. The left side of the two-pole breaker should be placed over the extended raised area. The right side of the two-pole breaker should be placed over the short raised area. Cracked breakers on extended raised areas often indicate improper installation. This usually occurs when the breakers are installed on the wrong side, leading to the neutral lug being placed in the extended raised area. This incorrect placement causes excessive heating and subsequent cracking of the breaker. Improperly installed two-pole breakers can pose significant safety concerns, potentially leading to overheating, fires, and electrical arcing. Electrical arcing can damage equipment and present shock or electrocution hazards. It is important to remove and replace any cracked two-pole breakers immediately. When installing breakers, ensure that all two-pole breakers are properly installed, spanning adjacent extended and short raised areas. If there is any uncertainty regarding the correct installation procedure for Zinsco breakers, it is best to consult a licensed electrician for guidance. Zinsco busbars with raised areas were commonly found in electrical panels manufactured between 1950 and 1986. It's worth noting that breakers with plastic handles are more susceptible to cracking compared to those with metal handles. Due to the potential for safety hazards associated with Zinsco panels, it is generally recommended to replace them entirely with modern panels. Firstly, consider the age of the Zinsco panel. Given they were manufactured between 1950 and 1986, the components are aging, which increases the risk of failure. Secondly, Zinsco panels have a history of safety concerns, including breakers that may not trip properly under overload conditions. This can lead to overheating and potential fire hazards. Thirdly, modern electrical panels offer improved safety features and technologies that enhance the overall reliability and safety of your electrical system. Fourthly, replacing an old Zinsco panel with a new one can bring your electrical system up to current code requirements, ensuring compliance with safety standards. Fifthly, upgrading to a modern panel can increase the capacity of your electrical system, allowing you to accommodate additional circuits and electrical loads. Sixthly, modern panels often provide better surge protection capabilities, safeguarding your electronic devices from voltage spikes. Seventhly, replacing the panel can improve the resale value of your property, as potential buyers may be concerned about the safety of an outdated electrical system. Eighthly, the long-term costs associated with maintaining an old Zinsco panel, including repairs and potential damage from electrical failures, can outweigh the cost of replacement. Ninthly, a new panel can provide peace of mind, knowing that your electrical system is up to date, safe, and reliable. Tenthly, it is generally recommended to have a professional electrician perform a comprehensive evaluation of your electrical system to determine the best course of action regarding Zinsco panel replacement. When dealing with electrical panels and breakers, safety should always be the top priority. If you are not comfortable working with electrical systems, it is best to hire a qualified electrician to perform any necessary repairs or replacements. Working with electricity can be dangerous, and improper handling can lead to serious injury or even death. Always turn off the power to the circuit before working on any electrical components. Use insulated tools and wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection. If you are unsure about any aspect of the electrical work, consult a qualified electrician for assistance.